Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Alejandro Romo, and in this channel we talk about investing, personal finance, and all things money. In today's video, we're gonna do a CashCard unboxing.
I want you to deal with your problems by becoming rich.
So I got this maybe about a week ago or so, and I just been testing it and using it, but I haven't opened it at all. I put the digital card into my wallet and been using it that way. The reason you want to get this card is because of the discounts you get, and that's the main reason I use it. Pretty much the only reason I use it is to get the discount. The discounts you get are mainly on food. You got places like McDonald's, Domino's, KFC. There's other ones there. You also got Bed Bath & Beyond. You can get $1 off coffee sometimes. You can get $5 off randomly. You can get Home Depot. I don't know if I said that already. PlayStation, Xbox. You can get 15% off or 10%. Depends on the vendor. But pretty cool card. Pretty cool card. So yeah, I'm gonna unbox or unenvelope this real quick, and then afterwards we're gonna go take it out for a run, so you guys can see what I'm talking about with the discount and how it works and setting it all up. All right, so it's pretty cool. When you get when you sign up for the CashCard, you have multiple options. I believe there's 3 options that you can get. It's a black card, a white card, and the third one's a glow in the dark, which is this one. The glow in the dark one you have to pay $5 for, and I'm all about saving money, but I like collecting cards too. And for $5, it's kind of like whatever. I already made my money back from using the card anyway. So let's get to unboxing this. All right, there it goes. All right, there it goes. The other side has my information. Boom. Oh wait, I opened it upside down. Boom. So right here you got activate your card. I guess you just scan this and it pops up the app and probably activates it for you. Benefits of the card right here. You got save with boost. This is what I'm talking about, the discounts you get. Tap to pay. So just where you can use Apple Pay or Google Pay, this card will work and you can just pay with just your card. You can get direct deposit, access to ATM, and pause with a touch. I guess you can lock the card if you're suspecting like fraudulent charges and stuff. But let's get a better look at this card right now. Alright, so like I said, you can customize the card, and I'm not sure if you can get that color. It's kind of said same color as this. It's supposed to glow in the dark. I have a little B right there for Bitcoin. Oh, there it goes. It looks clean right there, and it has my name, Alejandro Romo. And then of course the back side has my name. Debit card. This is a debit card, not a credit card, and you do have to fill up your CashAPP account in order to use it. But let me see if it glows in the dark. So obviously I'm in my car, it's during the day, the sun is out, so I'm gonna hide myself underneath my jacket with the card. Right, I'm gonna put the card in the sun and see if I can get it to glow in my jacket. All right, hold up. All right, look, so here we are in my jacket. You can see right there, that's the outside world right there, and this is me in my jacket. You can, it might not focus because we're in the dark, and these cameras are not meant to be in the dark, but it glows. Pretty awesome. All right, so I'm gonna activate the card. Again, it came with this little paper. This is all it came with this and the card. So I'm gonna scan it right now with my camera. open. Actually, that didn't work. I don't know what the hell this is, but hold up. Alright, so that scan, the QR code didn't work. I'm gonna go straight to the Cash app and activate the card, and I'm gonna show you guys the boost, and I am going to use the boost today. And I'm also gonna take you guys to KFC. So we can try this card in person. So we go to Cash App, and then you go to the second icon at the bottom, and there goes my card displayed. I actually got the card delivered 9 days ago, but I think I got it like a week ago. But the button's right there to activate, so just let's hit activate. Scan the QR code above your card. Okay, this is when you scan the QR code, I guess. That has my routing and account info right now, and I'm going to block this so you guys can't see my info. Alright, hit OK. Card's been activated. So the boost, for the boost, you go right here where it says change, because it says no boost selected. Hit change, and then you can see all the different boost. They last about a week, and every week something new pops up. Right here you got the 10% off one purchase at a grocery store, DoorDash, 10 at Chick-fil-A, 10 at Subway, 10 at Taco Bell, 15 at McDonald's, Domino's, 20 at Lyft, 15 at Walgreens, 15 at Walmart, Chipotle, $1 off Starbucks. So if you're a Starbucks drinker, you can get a little cheaper to Starbucks with using the Cash card. You got 15 off Panda Express, KFC, that's the one I'm gonna use, Wingstop, Home Depot, Chewy if you have pets, Etsy if you like to get crafty, Dunkin' Donuts if you're a cop, if you like donuts, PlayStation Network, Xbox, and back there. So I'm gonna go back to KFC, and it expires in 16 hours. I'm about to go use it right now. You can use it every hour, so every hour you can use it, but they'll give you new ones every like 7 days. Minimum purchase, I have to spend at least $1, and I can't discount more than $7.50, which is okay. Activate boost, and now we're activated, and just hit done. So right there you can see that the card is there, the boost is active, and now all we need to do is go to KFC and go use the Cash card, and I'll show you how you save money and everything else afterwards. We're here at KFC. Oh no. Let's see. Okay.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hi, can I get that $34.99 fill up, the tender with the pieces, 8 pieces, please?
You want that original?
Can I get it extra crispy?
Crispy?
Yeah.
Okay, and will I copy the order?
Yes, you can't substitute the sides, right?
No, I'm sorry, not for that one.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you. Alright, so the order was $34.99 plus tax. Tax is like about 10.25% here. 38. I don't know how much we're gonna save, but we'll see.
38.58.
38.58. Oh yeah?
Okay, you want to try it again?
Hold up. Here you go, try it.
Yeah.
I forgot to add the funds to the card. My cash account had 0 balance on it. It worked this time?
Yes.
All right, for sure. Thank you. So yeah, I completely forgot to add cash to the card. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that in case you guys don't know how to do that, but if you have the Cash app, I'm pretty sure you know how to add money to your card, but I'll show you guys anyways. Alright, so as you were able to see, my card got declined because I forgot to add money to the card. And right here you can see on my phone, on the activity of the Cash app, they tried to charge me the $38.58, but it got declined because I didn't have enough cash. So I decided to add the cash of $40 into the account, and then they charged me $32.80 right there. So this is how you add money to your card. You go to right here where the number 7 is at. I think there's a 0 right there when you don't have any money, and you just add cash and add however much you want. Doesn't really matter, just for demonstrating purposes. Face ID, boom, add it, and automatically withdraws it from your checking account that you have linked to it. And now my balance is at $32.20. Another place where you can check for the transaction, the Cash app always texts you when your card gets used. So right here it says Cash app, your $38.58 payment at KFC was declined. There is not enough cash in. Boom. Okay, you spent $32.80 at KFC. Your 15% boost was instantly applied. So that's one of the things I really like about this card. It's like, if you decide randomly you want to eat something or you want to pay for something and there's a boost for it, just add money to the card, and that's instant. And then instantly you can use the card right away, as you were able to see. So pretty dope card. So again, talking about the card, it's just plastic. This one is not like some of the other fancy ones. I thought these were gonna be like steel or whatever. It would have been pretty cool. I thought it was gonna be etched in here, but it's like printed. It's ink. You could feel the ink on there, but it's cool. It glows in the dark. The back print, it looks kind of ugly. It's kind of blurry. I mean, well, let me see. I can show you my name on there. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Right there. I don't know. Looks ugly. I don't like it. But I like my little Bitcoin, and I like the card. I probably will carry this card in my wallet now. I did have it digitally. I have been using it before. I went to McDonald's with it. I think I went to Starbucks with it, and I just pay with my phone. Just got the Apple Pay. Let me see. Boom. See, it's right there. You can just use it this way too, through your phone. And that's how I've been using it. Alright, so I'm gonna leave a link in the description for the ones that don't have the Cash app, where you can get a Cash app account, and it is an affiliate link. If you go through this link, you will get $5, I will get $5, and you don't have to go through my link. It just helps out my channel. It helps me out, motivates me to keep making videos like this. Again, get the Cash app card if you like spending money on food and you want to save some money and the other stuff that were in the app. And if you made it this far, please leave me some likes, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and until next time, let's get this money. Peace.